Hello guys, it's me, Austin Mance here again, and I know yesterday was National Ceiling Fan Day, so I thought I might do a video of the late National Ceiling Fan Day real quick. Uh, starting off here in my room, I got this Hampton Bay Lyndhurst from June of 2017, and it's running on medium. Right here, I got my Climate Keeper fan from February of 2024, and here I got this Mainstays High Velocity fan from October of 2022. Here I have this Harbor Breeze Morocco with Hampton Bay St. Vincent blades, which I call it the homemade Hampton Bay carriage house. So that's that. Here I have this 44-inch Mainstays Hugger from 2020, which was during the pandemic. So that's that fan. In my mom's room, I got this 52-inch Hampton Bay Southwind 4. That is technically on high speed right now. In the den, I have this 52-inch Hampton Bay Southwind 4, which is another one. Here I have this 52-inch Hampton Bay / King of Fans Farmington from August of 2015. And here I have this 22-inch style Anderson fan in the front porch. So yeah, those are the ceiling fans in my house, and just want to say happy late National Ceiling Fan Day, and yeah, and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and peace out.